Okay, so look at this closely. Total 49 videos uploaded. The most popular video has more than 7 million views. The channel started almost 25 days ago with 49 videos and more than 100 million views. Now look at the second channel. Similarly, only 20 videos uploaded. The most popular videos got 7.5 million and 6.7 million views. It also started almost 25 days ago and gained more than 100 million views. So how can you create these types of videos for free? To learn that, watch this video till the end. First, you have to copy this prompt. The link is in the description. Copy the whole prompt, come to ChatGPT, and paste the prompt here. Now select your desired animal, and right now, I am selecting fire ant. After that, it will generate the whole image and video prompt. First, you have to copy the image prompt from here and use Google Whisk to create a high-quality image for free. Once the image has been generated, choose the one which looks more real to you, then download the image and again come to Grok. Here, upload your image and copy your first video prompt and paste it into Grok. Once the video has been generated, download the video, open it, and play the video. Take a screenshot of the last frame of the video for better video creation in the next step. Now again, similarly, come to Grok, upload your last screenshot, and then copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now repeat the process until all the video clips have been generated. Once all the video clips have been generated, download them and open any video editor. Import all the clips here and add them in sequence. And now your whole video has been generated. Here in this playlist, I have shared many other free AI video creation methods, so you can also watch them here.